never been easier for food establishments to interact with their customers. A huge number of innovations and disruption is occurring in the food delivery space, as customers demand more options and faster delivery. In this video, we'll explore the growth in food delivery, who's driving it, and look at some of the innovative ways food companies are taking advantage of this boom. Let's get straight into it. While market forecast estimates vary, online food delivery sales are expected to reach $220 billion by 2023, and the online grocery market, according to Deutsche Bank, will grow to $120 billion by 2025. That's a lot of food that needs to be delivered. And the new options, opportunities and varieties of delivery models are almost endless. From same hour, same day, next day delivery, single or multi-fleet, in-house or crowdsourced fleets, curbside pickup, robotic warehouse delivery, and so on. Companies are adapting to new consumer needs. So, who's driving the trend? The global impact of the COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated this hypergrowth. Obviously, the use of smartphones and the internet has altered our lifestyles, as we increasingly seek out quick and clever solutions that save us time and provide us convenience. Millennials and especially Gen Zs are spending higher proportions of their income on online meal ordering compared to previous generations. They prefer to purchase online food rather than cook due to their hectic schedules and fast-paced lifestyles. And according to Technomic generational analysis, Gen Z's demand for online food ordering is set to contribute much more to the future trends of the food service industry. So with that knowledge, food businesses should prioritise their online footprint, either by joining third-party delivery platforms, building a social media presence, or creating their own app for their food business. New data released by Barclaycard shows that 1/3 of customers avoid restaurants that don't have an online presence. That's eliminating 33% of your potential customers by not taking online serious. However, it's not good enough just to be there, and customers demand top execution. 65% of Americans abandon digital orders if they undergo any sort of poor customer experience, and around 55% need access to user-friendly applications. Let's have a look at some of the new ways companies are removing friction for their customers. But before we do, if you're getting value out of this video, consider subscribing. We create these videos to serve you, so let us know if you're finding them interesting or amusing, or if you have a topic you'd like us to discuss. Now let's see how companies are innovating in the space. Firstly, Dominos has taken to Twitter to allow customers to place their orders by tweeting a pizza emoji. Once a customer has created a pizza profile, all they need to do is tweet the emoji. And to confirm the delivery, users must link their accounts to their pizza profile. Secondly, smartwatches. Smartwatches have been released by Apple and Samsung, who have taken a technology-driven approach. Customers can use their smartwatches to place orders at a number of fast food restaurants. It once again streamlines the ordering process and allows customers to easily place orders via their wearable device. Thirdly, by car. Another novel approach allows users to place an order while driving. Visa Checkout is incorporated into the dashboard of the car, allowing customers to place orders using their voice while driving. It's also worth having a look at some of the new innovations of how food is being delivered. Not only can they add convenience, but they can also add a new level of experience to food delivery. Food delivery firms are no longer dependent on third-party delivery services and are currently exploring new and novel delivery methods to reduce delivery time and cost. The first way we'll look at is robots. The advancement of AI and machine learning technology is allowing food delivery companies to use smart robots to fulfill orders. Startups such as Marble have developed specialized delivery robots with enhanced cameras and 3D maps, cutting out delivery time and reducing cost. Secondly, drones. Mana, an Irish drone company, have partnered with Camille, a Thai restaurant chain, to deliver food by drone. Its unique drone technology cuts delivery time, but also is better for the environment than delivery by car. Drone delivery is mostly utilised in congested areas within a city, and ensures on-time delivery with lower operating costs. Thirdly, parachute. One of the more bizarre and interesting innovations is delivery through parachute. Although highly novel, adds a unique element to food delivery. More than convenience, this adds a new level of theatre to the delivery process. In a cafe in Melbourne, customers wait around an X marked spot on the ground at a designated time and enjoy catching their meals from the sky. Customers are entertained while the company saves money on logistics and is a unique selling point. Then finally, the last trend that has caught my attention that I'd like to point out is the adoption of crypto. The rise of people adopting crypto has led to a number of food platforms accepting crypto food orders. Customers from all over the world can now use Bitcoin and other coins to purchase takeout and delivery. For example, Pizza for Coins accepts over 50 different cryptocurrencies. Papa John's Pizza and a number of other fast food restaurants now accept Bitcoin payments, endorse crypto as a future trend for the food service industry. So, to conclude, with online orders growing at a faster rate than ever before, food businesses have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to boost profit margins, expand their customer base, and enhance the take-home experience. The challenge for food businesses will be to find the balance between customer demand for fast, convenient, and transparent delivery, while balancing the logistical complexity and the costs associated with meeting these demands. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Leave us a comment and let us know what food trend you'd like us to cover next. If you enjoyed this video, then give this video a like. We'll have new videos coming every week in 2022. And if you'd like to learn more about some of the hottest food trends, sign up to our free trend reports on ghost kitchens, vertical farming and more. You can check out the link in our description. Absolutely free. Until next time, ciao ciao.